In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Zoho Writer using the integration with Zoho WorkDrive. Whether you're new to Zoho's suite of productivity tools or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. So, let's dive right into the process. To begin, make sure you're in your Zoho Writer workspace. Now, if you haven't already opened Zoho Writer, log into your account and navigate to your workspace where all your documents and templates are conveniently stored. It should be quite familiar if you've used other word processors, with your recent documents and options visibly laid out. Once you're in Zoho Writer, direct your attention to the Writer menu. This is usually found at the top of the workspace, acting like a gateway to various functionalities. Clicking on the Writer menu will reveal a drop-down menu listing several options. Here's where you'll select WorkDrive, Zoho's powerful cloud storage service that allows seamless collaboration and organization of files. After selecting WorkDrive, you'll find yourself in the interface dedicated to file storage and management. This space is particularly useful if you're working on projects that involve constant document exchanges among team members. Look for the My Folders section. On the right side of this section, you'll notice a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your key to starting the creation of a new folder within your workspace. At this point, a prompt will appear asking you to input your preferred folder name. Ensure that the name you choose is descriptive and intuitive, as it will assist in keeping your files organized and easy to find later. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, naming the folder something specific like Q1 Marketing Campaign would be beneficial. With your desired name typed in, you're almost at the finish line. The next step is simple. Click on the Create button. This will finalize the creation of your new folder, and it will now be ready to house all the documents related to the specific project or category you've designated. And there you have it. You've successfully created a folder in Zoho Writer via WorkDrive, allowing for better management of your documents. Remember, keeping a well-organized structure is key to efficiency, especially when collaborating with others. As you continue to work with Zoho's suite, explore other features that can enhance your productivity even further. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!